So for example, if you want to learn about cost volume profit analysis, including tax effect, you click on this, and I'm going to show you the resources real quick. The first resource obviously is my own lecture where let me go back into my own lecture. The first resource will be my own lecture. It's right here, lecturing about the topic, and you will have the notes. Then what you will do is you have this AI, and this AI, after you view the lecture, what you can do is you can ask the AI to summarize the lesson in a table. I really like the table, so I'm going to choose that. Download the lesson as audio notes so you can review it on your own time, shopping at the supermarket, doing the laundry, walking in the park. It doesn't matter. It's 2 to 3 minutes. It will summarize it, the main points. You could also create flashcards. If you want to practice, you could create flashcards to practice the concept. You could also ask the AI to quiz you. And here's what I'm talking about here when I say about AI. Those AI are specific. So everything you see in those AIs are specific to that particular lesson, cost, volume, profit analysis. So this summary summarizes only what's in the video. It doesn't summarize anything else from AI. It summarizes my own video. So the AI, I call it Farhat.ai to emphasize the point. It doesn't go to an open AI. I mean, it's using an AI system, but it's using my content. I don't have the engineering AI, but I have the content for that. Or you could, again, download the audio notes, create flashcards to test yourself. So after you view the lecture, you'd say, I would like to see if I really understand it. How do you know this? Go to the AI, create flashcards. And again, some of the questions on the flashcards is like, what's the name of the professor? The point is, it's specific to my lecture. That's the point I'm trying to make. So it's very specific to what you learned. And I make sure, for example, you learn cost, volume, profit analysis, including the tax effect. And here are some of the questions for, what's cost, volume, profit analysis? And you just guessed it. Then you could see it's a model that helps manager understand how changes in cost, volume, and prices affect net operating income. Or you could ask the AI, give me a few questions to test myself. My subscription is $30 a month. I have an ongoing special for 1 year for $150. Those prices are going to be gone soon. But what you can do is, if you want to, these are the multiple choice, the true false questions that are generated. Again, you can test yourself. And that's not it. That's not everything. Let me just exit out of the AI. The AI will help you zoom into that lecture. Then I do have MCQs about that topic. So if you want to take a test, I would like to test myself. I do have MCQs. So within those MCQs, once you start the quiz, guess what? You're going to have a quiz assistant next to you. So you have the question, the answers. Then if you want to ask the quiz assistant, explain this topic for me. The quiz assistant would only explain the topic. And when would you use this? You would use this if you look at the question and you don't know how to answer the question. You don't know what the contribution margin is. You should by the time you get to the quiz. But if you don't and you want a refresher, you would ask the AI, explain the topic for me. So it will explain the contribution margin. And generally speaking, by the time it explains it, you would know the answer because it's going to explain it in depth. Then after you answer the question, you can ask AI, if you did not like the answer choices, because we do explain the answer choices as well, you could ask AI to explain the correct and incorrect answer in their own way. So it will explain it differently. Now, we have it. For example, somebody wrote the answer choices, but if you want it in a different way, you could ask the AI. Or the best thing is you could say, you know what? I really like this topic, contribution margin. Give me another MCQ. It will generate another MCQ about the same topic, about contribution margin. So given all of this together, you have lectures, you have AI quizzes, AI flashcard, AI summary, then quizzes, and those quizzes are assisted by AI. We're not done yet. In addition to all of those, I feel like I'm selling here, but that's not my point. I'm very passionate about my product. Is I do have a podcast. So the same lesson, cost, volume, profit analysis, including tax effect that you viewed me explaining it and people like it, you can also listen to it as an AI podcast. So this is another 15 minutes of explaining the cost, volume, profit analysis, including the tax effect. Do you need to view it? No, absolutely not. If you viewed mine and you're satisfied, it's good. If the topic is a little bit complicated, you want to view it again from a different perspective, you could click on the podcast and view it again in the form of two people, AI. And frankly, I know I should not say this. Sometimes they do a better job than I do. Sometimes the AI podcast will do a better job using analogies, examples that is more relatable. And sometimes people don't like them. It's a preference. But all of these are resources for you to do what? To learn the information